Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can apply effects only to the overlay of your videos in CapCut PC. I'll just use this video and I'm just going to copy and paste that. Go to cutout and select auto cutout on the second video or in any layer. You don't really have to do this. I'm just showing you guys that you can place effects only to a certain layer. So for instance, I only want this fade out to happen to the background. I'm going to select it and I'm going to drag it to the background. And as you can see, it faded out. Also, for instance, I want this to just be on the overlay. So select it, grab it, and place it inside of the video. And as you can see, it only got placed to the overlay video. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!